Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create a distribution list in Outlook. Chapter 1. How create distribution list in Outlook application. To start, open the Outlook application. After that, click on People. After this, click on the New Contact drop-down arrow. Here, select New Contact List. Then give the list a name. Now in the Add Email Addresses field, enter the desired emails, then click Add to add them. Finally, click Create. You will see the created distribution list. Chapter 2. How create distribution list in Outlook Web. To start, open Outlook Web. After that, click on People. Now click on the New Contact drop-down arrow, select New Contact List. Assign the desired name to the list. After that, enter the email addresses to use. Click on Add to have them added. Finally, click Create. You will now see the available distribution list. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.